What the hell? What is this? Ouch. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get away. Get away, King Beetle. No, no, no. Oh, chicken nuggets. Oh my god. Oh my god. Help me. R.I.P. Ah! Hey guys, so let's see, and today I'm playing Bee Swarm. Let's begin. I now have a brave bee. Look, it took me 2 orange jelly just to get one. Now let's continue. Guys, by the way, I think I found a few secret spots here. I'll show you. One's all the way up there. I can't go there yet. It's in the blue flower there. Blue flower. Yes. Oops. Oops, sorry. That was awkward. I was at the blue flower there. I'm gonna go get some blue flowers. Kill the beetle. Dead. Okay, I'm here. As we all can see, we usually hang around this area. If we just move forward, we can see there's these 2 flowers near the HQ. This flower is blocking the pathway. Look! There's a pathway here. It's very out of spot. Let's enter. Wait, let me get some pollen. Yeah, pollen. Let's see what's inside. 1, 2, 3. Boom! Oh my god, what's that? No, 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 no. Holy nuggets. That's crazy. What the hell is that? Oh my god. Help me. Help, help, help. Oh my god, I'm taking so much damage. So much damage. Chicken, chicken, chicken. No, 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 no. Oh my god. Wow, it takes a lot of damage. And it's turning around like Cinderella. No! It's almost impossible to take down this beast. Well, I guess that's one of the hidden spots. I'll try to defeat it off camera if I can even try to kill it. Let me go get some spiders to kill. That was horrifying. Very, very scary. Nope. They were from Dandelion Field. Oh god. Oh, colorless white pollen. Okay, I'll get some white pollen from here. You're getting a piece of me. I think that's another hidden spot here. Oh my god, what's this? I need to turn on my brightness. Okay, now it's even more bright. What the hell? I can't see anything. Guys, help. Help me. Guys. What's happening? Be right back. Basically, I can't even see anything. I think this actually allows you to go in there. My friend he said there is a golden egg in here. Shoot, I can't find it. I don't even know where I'm going. Oh, that was a boom. I can't see anything. What about if I go here? Okay, so I'm out here. Can't see. What the? May I give up? But it is said there will be something in there. I can't understand. I'm just gonna go in. Can I see the back? There isn't any golden eggs. Only push against the walls. Nope, I can't find any eggs. Lol. And there goes my brave boy. that guy has a parachute. I think he's also finding the hidden part. Wait, let me go get. I need to save up for Beetle. No, I need to save up for. Why am I even going out? I need to save for parachute so I can unlock more hidden parts. Come at me. Come at me, bro. Guys, kill the rhino. Nope. You get rejected. By the way, the brave bee does more damage than normal bees. Just kill them, don't get the power land. I don't understand how you even get that. There's some kind of way. I see a passage. Yes, there's a passage there. I can't even find a way. What's that? What's this? Oh my god. Oh my god, I found a new exit. What the shit? Oh my god. Oh, sorry for cussing. What's this? Where'd I go? What's this? Oh my god. What's this? Yes! Polar jelly. Oh my god, guys. I found it. Holy moly. Holy moly. I finally find it. It's a passage. Oh my god. I never realized this whole time there was actually a passage right here. They're very good at hiding things. Okay guys, just need to go on to this pathway. Jump here, be careful with your step here. Slowly on this pathway and just enter here. You can find it. Oh my god, never knew it was so easy. By the way, it's kind of dark. Yeah, and then here you will get the royal jelly. I already got mine, so I can't get it again. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Yay. Now let's go find some more. Ouch. Yeah. I'm so happy I found some more cool spots. Right here. Must I kill Mantis? Oh, the guy has... Oh, he's a lot of pollen. Oh, Granny, kill Mantis. Oh, I'll kill you, Rhino Beetle. Oh my god, I got rejected. Okay, guys. You see, this mango is about to walk, right? I don't think I can do this, but I think I need the parachute, but I don't have the parachute. Okay, you must do this. Jump onto the leaf. I suck in parkour. Just rest assure you that. Oh, get me up. Oh my god. This is poop. Get me up. No, get me up. Be right back, typing. Oh my god, finally, yes. Are you serious? What did I get myself into? Oh my god, I'm stuck. Get me up. Oh my god, I'm so mad. Be right back to that. Oh, that's it, I give up. I need to climb up to that. So hard. Let me go to stand the line. Let me go to the blue flower fair and see that Beetle again. It looks kind of cool. Can't believe I found a new passage. What's that? Whoa! Is that a new thing? How must I unlock? 4 blue types. How many blue types do I have? 1, 2, 3, 2 more. 2 more. Are you serious? Oh, they got rejected. Oh my god, oh my god. My pollen container is full. Okay. This whole video is about finding hidden spots. So yeah. I can't believe I found a hidden spot there that nobody else ever found. But at least I think nobody else found. I'm so happy! Yay! I got royal jelly. Now let's transform some of my bees. Which one should I transform? I'm just gonna transform one of my worker bees. Please be something that I don't have. What? What kind of bumblebee is that? Yes, I discovered another bee. Guys, gotta go. Bye.